You might not be familiar with the name Marquardt, the German manufacturer of interior components, switches, and lighting, but your fingers have probably touched at least one of the components the Tier 1 supplier makes. Marquardt's U.S. arm recently invited Automotive News to its suburban Detroit Tech Center to test some of the future technology company engineers are working on. Technology that could soon be in interiors of everything from Chevrolets to Mercedes. Take a look. Marquardt's demo car shows how electric components will continue to replace mechanical parts. The doors don't have handles or external locks. But this isn't just for sleeker looks. Instead, envisions a future where many of the car's functions are controlled by the driver's cell phone or cameras, including how the doors open and close. Brandon Jarbo, Automotive Products Group R&D Innovation Technical Project Manager, showed Automotive News engineering reporter Richard Truitt one of the 3 ways the doors open.
This is a camera. This is watching, essentially it's looking out for any type of gestures that we're doing. So what I'll do is I'll turn this on. Okay. What I'll do is I'll give it a thumbs up and the door will open, it'll green light, and then I can also give it a thumbs down and the door will close. And so those are just some general gestures, but it can be programmed to do anything.
He also explained how the doors can be opened using capacitive sensors. Just a light touch on the door will signal it to open, and it can be used in any weather condition or through their ultra-wideband, which detects exactly where a person is. Inside the vehicle, there is a slot that secures a driver's smartphone. Jarbo says it serves as 2 purposes. One, for wireless charging, and second is so the driver's phone can be mirrored onto the infotainment section. To reduce driver distraction, real Swarovski crystals are placed in all the displays. They enable the driver's thumb to scroll through different functions. The buttons on the steering wheel are reduced. Now watch what 2 things happen to these features when the vehicle is in autonomous mode.
That's going to turn green. The screen is going to rise. The phone gets unlocked, and then that tactile switch actually moves back with you. So it's a little bit more comfortable, more ergonomic for you.
The charging port on the back of the vehicle is like something out of Star Wars. The charging process could someday be interactive and on a holographic display. But this holographic charging display isn't just created with looks in mind. Dirt, snow, and fingerprints do not affect it. Lastly, with safety being a top priority, Marquardt's driver monitor system can determine when someone shouldn't be driving.
If you're in this autonomous mode and you're sleeping and for whatever reason the vehicle needs to give you back control, it knows the status that you're in, so it's not going to give you the car if you're sleeping or if you're passed out.
Marquardt's goal with its future technology is to improve safety, comfort, and convenience. Thanks for watching, and make sure to go to our website autonews.com for the latest updates.